Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, we have a Toyota RAV4, and we are going to take down the seat. How to take down, well, I can't even think of how to title this, but so you pull in on this, and then you're able to push this down, just like so. And you have cup holders. See that? And there's tennis balls back there. But that's how you get the back seat to go down. And over here, you pull up on that. You just pull, like that. And it goes down. So that's how you do that. And then the same thing over there. So, and then to pull it back up, you just push it up. And it'll lock right there. But you want to hold this in and push it back. There we go. See, you have, once you pull this all the way back out, you're able to adjust the seat wherever you want. There, and then let go, and it'll lock in place. The same with this. It'll lock in place. So you just pull on this right here. See? Pull on that, and that loosens it. And use your other hand to pull down. So that's how you loosen. That's how you get the back seat to go down on a Toyota RAV4. Once you get all three down, you have a lot more trunk space, and it is totally amazing. So let me show you that this is actually a Toyota RAV4 with the spare tire. Here we are. There you go. Toyota RAV4. Then you got the emblem. There you go. That's how you put down the back seat to make more trunk room on a Toyota RAV4. This one happens to be limited. That's how you do it. And it's just a pumpkin good time. And always remember all the circles for the Toyota logo. 1, 2, 3. So, there we go. This is a Matthumanpizza video. We got the pine tree. We got the little bushes right there. And we have a little plant. We got that little plant. And we just have a good time here. We got just the front view of the Toyota RAV4. And it's an all-around good time. And the audience count it was 0, but now it's 1, possibly 2, but live, that is, not including myself. But this is the Matthumanpizza video, and that's how you put down, I'm going to show you again how to put down that back seat. So you come in here to the back door, open it up, and you come back in here, and we're going to do this one first. So you pull this like that. And as you can see, the bottom of the seat goes forward too. So, and then back here has little straps for child safety seats. It's not exactly sure where they're at, but I think they're behind this mess. No, but this is like a cover. This can come off, which probably looks pretty cool if you take it off. But and then this one, the middle one, is the tricky part. You pull it, and then you're able to knock it down and then let go. See? And it has cup holders on top of it. The cup holders add a nice touch. And then the one over here, let me move this car seat. But the one over here is the same thing. You have this, pull that out, and you're able to fold it down. So, and back here, soccer balls, tennis rackets, a blanket, for your girlfriend or whatever. You go out in the woods, and then 2 chairs that so when you sit, you're not sitting on the ground. So, and then as you can see, you just pick this up with your bare hand, and it'll be like vertical, and you want it to go farther back. So, as I said before, hold this in while you pull back, and you're able to adjust the seat and then wiggle it to get it to where you want it to get. same thing with this one. See how it locks right there? But you want to do this. Look at that. See that? And then you push back. I'm doing this all with one hand. But there we go. Yep. That's where we want that. And then you can clean all your stuff up and get your hairbrushes and everything all situated. And that's how. And then also there's a little railing down here. So well, this is for another video. So you pull up on this and you're able to move the seat back and forth. So that's another video. But for now, we'll just focus on how to put down the back seat to make more trunk room. And this is obviously a great video. So I want you to have a great day. And look at the rocks. These are river rocks. River rocks are great as a driveway. You don't want to have paved. No, it's too expensive. Put down big old river rocks and your car loves it. The tires run over them. Don't get the little gravel. This little gravel that people try to get. No. That was I've been there, done that. The big river rocks, they take a while to ground into the ground and disappear. So river rocks are the way to go for driving in the grass. So to get your car off the road, come right onto your grass, your little driveway. So it's like a self driveway without the cinders around asphalt and all that expensive crap. But anyway, this is another Matthumanpizza video, and here we are. Let me get a little long shot where the car is behind the pine tree. You got that one, you got the big pine tree, and you got the one over there. So this is a great shot. There it is. You got the gravel, car, and then that's how you put down the back seat. And all right, have a great day.